Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to find your favorite videos on YouTube on iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad. I'll show you an example. Let's say we find a video. We pause it. Now we close the tab here. And then we're gonna give it a like. I'm gonna press like. Got it. That's the name of the video. Now exit. Close the page. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Or the top right corner. I click here. We open it up. Our channel appears. There's a Google account. There's history. We click on playlists. Click here to view. And then we have the videos we like. Click here. And as you can see, this is the preview picture we had. This is the video we liked. And then we can flip through here and find. This is the one I liked. This is the one I liked today. This is the one I liked today. And this one. If we want to remove a like, we click on the three dots. And click on Remove from Liked Videos. Then we refresh the page and the like is removed from this video. If you liked this video, you can put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you again. Goodbye.